So when a problem arises, we address the problem, we solve the problem, and we move on. There's no closing or deal that's one and the same. There's two types of agents. You have problem solvers and you have complicators. And it's really, really important that we try to become the best problem-solving agents that we can become. And this was a quick example of a situation where the deal was going south. This deal was really in jeopardy. It was important to get the parties together to make sure that this deal stayed together. And that's what a lot of agents fail to do, is to recognize and be cognizant of the situation. All right, let's talk. Here's where we're at. This thing is like on the 5-yard line. We're right there. So they won't do 20%, they want 25. So the 5% is a big difference. We're good. We can get this done. And then we should close next week. I mean, this is an example of a really interesting group of people, buyers and sellers, that have come together to purchase a very interesting property. Now, where we're at now is the meeting place. It's not the actual property, but what happened was we had a mixed use 12 to 15 unit building with a buyer who's never purchased a property of that stature and sellers who have never sold property of that scale. At the end of the day, the common goal for all parties involved, sellers, buyers, and agents, is to close the transaction. So this is where the meeting of the minds happen so that we can actually take this thing over the finish line.